It's very scary. I almost fell last time. No, something. No, you just like this.
Hey, you had to push him, Chris.
Okay, you might want to start that way. Huh?
Boy, check.
Start that. Face that way first.
Why?
Because I'm going to spin you and you might land on your back and that hurts.
Don't push me that way though.
Whatever is the better way. Right back?
Yeah, doesn't hurt as much.
No, you're not lying.
No, I'm not lying.
I swear to God.
Wait, I gotta get comfy. Okay, it's too small to get comfy.
No, you're just too big.
I'm freaking claustrophobic.
I'm claustrophobic. He's in here, look, see right there. Look, see, that's him. He likes dicks.
Screw you!
Yeah. Oh, you're too fat. Oh, not fat, big. Oh, power. You're too tall, I think you broke up. No, you just pushed out some.
Knocked right out.